Hi, I'm Sanjeev Purohit and I'm an ideapreneur. An idea sees no time, space or opportunity. It can come anytime and anywhere, and no one should take the power of an idea lightly. In my 11 years at HCL, I have been involved in various platforms of ideapreneurship, and it has never been a solo effort. I worked with my teams and consistently created and implemented ideas for customer which were beyond the contract. I want to talk about one of the ideas we delivered for a software major. We developed the competitive metric analytical robotic tool CMART. We were working on an automation of performance testing on a mobile device. So 3 robotic arm actuates the same way a user would use the mobile device. So this has reduced the end-to-end test execution, increased the accuracy and removed the dependency of a manual intervention in mobile testing. Technological innovation is the way forward for business today, making functions highly accurate, besides giving them speed and immediate scalability. By eliminating human touch in testing, business automatically take a step closer to error-free efficiency. Besides, of course, helping the client save 2.4 million last year. At HCL, there are several ideas floating around and everyone is contributing towards their client business, but there is a lack of effort on part of employees to log their ideas on the platform provided to us. It's a human tendency to hesitate. It is also a natural process to take an idea through clients' official channels, but we often fail to recognize that idea, even if it doesn't fit one client, may fit another. Ideas are not like hats, one size fits all. Ideas are also customized and redesigned to fit a client need. So if you have an idea, go and log it right now. At HCL, every employee goes beyond the contract. Our ideas, our endeavors and our effort don't stop at the dotted line. For a client, the value that we add to the business is a clear differentiator. As an employer, HCL has given us a brilliant platform to churn our ideas in order to add value to our relationships with our clients. What adds to the beauty is that these platforms exist where individual efforts are recognized at an organization level. It's a win-win situation for us, for customers and for HCL. Thank you.